Hello, Paul here from EMD, Koara Road at Caringbah. Just want to show you what I'm doing today. So this car here came in a few months ago, like last year actually. Done a lot of work on the car. Things we done on the car, like electronic work, electrical work, try to fix things, brakes, service, you name it. Level control, suspension. The actual ECU was draining the battery, so as soon as you actually lock the car for basically one day, the next day you come to start the car up, it's pretty much the battery is flat. So fit an ECU. I finally found an ECU. I think it was last year. I found a second-hand one. It's really hard to find a second-hand one. Found a second-hand one, and I actually fitted it to this car. I think on December or January this year, and then communication fault was everywhere. I couldn't find the actual. Can't really get into the actual ECU to do my program and calibration and stuff like that. Then I had to actually update my tools, both of my tools, scan tool to make sure it communicates. Still didn't work. And still didn't work. So today, actually a lot of testing I've done before. Today I was like testing all the. Remove some of the ECU out and test for power and signal back to the actual vehicle electric, which is underneath vehicle electric ECU, and then just checking for power at the back as well. And I couldn't figure out why I could not communicate with this, why my tool cannot communicate with the ECUs in the car, because the control modules, because I already updated my tool. So I decided to today just pull the wiring down, have a look, just in case something else, because I've never thought a OBD port would be all chopped up like this, but I will show you. This is the new one. I've never seen this before, but I'll show you. So this is a big shocking for me. I was so shocked when I first saw it, so I'm going to put it down. Have a look at that. So all the OBD port is being cut or maybe chewed by a rat, I'm not sure, or something. I can't tell. Doesn't look like cut, looks like it's been. So I've got to actually pull this apart, and I've got to try to fix this properly, so I can actually use my scan tool. So this is a really bad way to start a day, but at least I finally found this problem here. It's nothing that I never thought that's gonna happen. I've never seen this before ever my whole life. The OBD port for the diagnostics has actually been chewed up or chopped up like this, but at least we're here today, so now I can actually try my best to sort this out, and then after that, then I can do my diagnostic scan, so I can actually program the ECU that I fixed. Okay, so it's a good day today and a bad day. Good day is I found something. Bad day is like I'm gonna pull the wiring down and try to repair all that, so I can actually communicate with this Porsche Cayenne. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. No, sorry, just one little note. No matter, it's always something new. Something new you find. Being a mechanic, you think you've seen it all, but there's always a car that comes in, and then something like that will happen, and then actually make you think twice in the future to have a look. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.